Hi everyone, I'm Ellen Canner, Edgy Veggie and author of the award-winning book, Feeding the Hungry Ghost, Life, Faith, and What to Eat for Dinner. And I want to toast you because it's National Wine Day. And I have a perfect summer sip, even on this rainy day in Miami. It is a beautiful rosé, it's got notes of rose petal and it tastes of peach and it tastes of summer, and it's the beautiful color of hope. And for something to serve with it, I wanted something also kind of summery and rosy. So I thought of Romesco sauce, which I absolutely love because I think it makes vegetables wonderful for everybody. It's Basque, it's got flavors of summer with peppers and tomatoes and garlic, so good. And it's what I like about conscious cookery. Remember with my Papa al Pomodoro class, I showed you that you can use stale bread in really creative ways. This recipe does it too. I have a very stale loaf of bread and I need a little for this. And I need a chili. This chili has had a spa treatment in hot water. It was a dry chili and it's rehydrated. So I'm taking that out, knocking out a couple seeds, a little water, throwing this in here. And you know I love the let's do it all in one bowl thing, so we're doing that again. So I've got my chili, I've got my very dry bread and some garlic cloves, and my blanched almonds. So you take your almonds and you give them a spa treatment in hot water. Let them soak for a few minutes, then you take one out and you give it a pinch. And magic, the skin comes off. That is a blanched almond. They all go in here, and now we make some noise. Ready? So give that a minute or two. I really let this have a good grind. And now we're ready for the last bit. It's really very easy. This is half a can of tinned tomatoes. You can use that too. Tomatoes, a little paprika. It already smells really good. Just a little bit of red wine vinegar. I'm going to give it another go and then drizzle in some oil. And we're done. I'm just going to add a pinch of salt. And we have something beautiful and rosy that absolutely loves vegetables. So that was really easy. And here's what I like about it. The little bit of stale bread makes everything come together and it gives it a beautiful texture. And the little bit of vinegar, I think it's only a teaspoon, adds just enough for sparkle. All the foods we love have a little bit of acidity to them. I think of it as etching flavor. It's great slathered on bread, Romesco is, and it's great on vegetables. So I'm just gonna have a dip, see how I did here. Man, so good. So good. So here's to you with my rosé. I know it can be hard to feel rosy during this pandemic, so I really want to cheer you on. Sometimes keeping a rosy outlook is a matter of determination, of mindfulness. And you know how I feel about mindfulness. I want to give you something wonderful to eat, but I also want to nourish you too. So here's to you, with or without wine on National Wine Day. Take care of yourself. Ellen Canner, see you next time. Bye-bye.